Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Weather Dynamics Unit. I'm Ms. Ledwell, and in this video, we'll talk about measuring temperature and precipitation. Let's get started. Weather forecasting may be based on both qualitative data and quantitative data. Qualitative means that data is described using words. Qualitative data is based on observations and the information collected using your senses, for example, the type of clouds present in the sky. Quantitative means that data is collected and described using numbers. Weather data may be collected using a variety of weather instruments, such as thermometers, rain gauges, barometers, hygrometers, and anemometers. For example, it is negative 10 degrees outside is an example of quantitative data. Thermometers are devices that measure air temperature, the average kinetic energy of molecules in air. In Canada, the air temperature is measured in degrees Celsius, with the symbol capital C. Thermometers that contain liquid typically have alcohol in a slim glass tube. When the temperature of the alcohol increases, the molecules move further apart, and the density of the alcohol decreases. This results in expansion and the volume of the alcohol increases. As the volume increases, the alcohol rises in the tube. Note that the thermometer must be placed in the shade when measuring the outside temperature. Placement in direct sunlight can lead to inaccurate readings, as the sun's rays will heat the liquid in the thermometer, leading to an artificially elevated temperature reading. For accurate results, ensure the thermometer is not exposed to direct sunlight. A rain gauge is used to measure the amount of rain. A conventional rain gauge features a funnel at its top designed to collect rain over a broad area, funneling it into a more slender section that is graduated in millimeters, symbol 2 lowercase m's, for measurement. A tipping bucket rain gauge is a type of rain gauge that records rainfall electronically through the accumulation of water that tips a small bucket inside the device, triggering a measurement. Here's a simple rain gauge. Measure the height of the water in millimeters just after the rain stops. Don't forget to empty the glass or can so you will be ready for the next storm. A straightforward method to measure the amount of snowfall involves using a stick or pole which has markings along its length in centimeters. Snowfall measurements should be taken in an area free from snowdrifts if possible. If snowdrifts are present, then select multiple locations away from significant drifts to take your readings. Then determine the average from these various measurements. Now it's time to continue to the next video. Before you do, complete this quick challenge. Write down the current temperature and your prediction for tomorrow's temperature. Then continue on to the next video.